Pwede itong ibaliktad ng camera.
Nanay, live yan?
Oo, ito yung ano. Pabaliktad ng camera.
Live din to?
Hindi pa yung nakaset.
Hindi pa ako upload. Nanay kasi nakapokus.
Wala yan, hindi. Naka-stop yan.
Stop yan.
Oo, naka-stop yan. Masyado kang ano, aartistahin naman kayong tatlo. Merry Christmas! Hello, Modi Morales. Shout out. Thank you so much, Modi. Let's join us. MLS o Modi. Tignan ko, try ko kung lagyan kita ng ano ha, ng jacket ha, Modi. Ayan, may jacket ka na, Modi. Maraming salamat. Merry Christmas too. Thank you, thank you. Pa-share na lang po, pa-share. Hello, Daniel Berry Sports Highlights. How are you, my dear? Thank you so much. Sorry, later I will watch your video, okay? Okay, Daniel, thank you for coming to my live. Please join us. We're enjoying eating here at the Festival Mall here in Philippines, Daniel Berry. Anyway, this is my children. That's 3. That's my son and my 2 daughters. Okay. Thank you so much, guys.
Phone pan gulo no. Naniwala ka naman. Hindi ako naniniwala dun. Phone pan gulo.
Matagal kasi ang order kanina pa, kaya nagawa ko mag-live. Hello, Daniel, very happy New Year and Merry Christmas to you too.
Alam, sabi pa kinabukas.
Please share, guys. Please share my live streaming.
Saan nga lang?
Okay, I will go outside and I will... Ano to, abot pa to hanggang dun sa labas, hindi? Baka mawala eh.
Ay. Hoy.
Sir, abot ba yung wifi neto dun sa labas?
Sa labas po, malakas.
Abot to. Thank you. Okay, we're waiting our order. So, mag-live muna tayo dito. Malakas ba ang wifi dito sa labas?
Ano pong wifi dito?
Hindi.
Nakakonect po ba sila?
Lakas din.
Limit lang po yung wifi.
Jing G Vlog, shout out. Thank you so much, Jing, for coming. Nandito kami ngayon sa Festival Mall. Niyaya ako ng aking 3 kids. Ayan. Nagano kami dito sa Thanks God it's Friday, American Bar and Grill. Modi, shout out from Jing G Vlogs.